We're going to see how to create a new mobile app scenario. First thing to do is to click on the new mobile button. You have two actions possible. The first is to select a pre-existing package or just to upload a new package. That's what we're going to do. We're going to select our package.apk for Android device. You can also upload a .app or .apa for iOS. Just to type in a name of a new scenario. Okay, the package is uploaded, so you just have to click on the Create New Scenario button. So we are now on the main screen for scenario building. And what we can do is just to click on the mobile recorder to be able to start recording a new mobile scenario. You can also see there is an icon here where you can click on it, and I just have a look at my device. This is the Android device where I can follow the actions in real time. Going back here, I click on the mobile recorder and then just start the mobile recording. And as you can see, the package is just uploaded now. And the application will soon be started. And here we have the first screen. So we're going back to the UI. And as you can see with my mouse on flyover, we have detected some special areas where actions can be done. When, for example, I just click on the first area, here are the targets that have been detected. There are several ways of target detection, so you can choose between them. Here you get a list of actions possible, which are the tap the target, the tap XY, that we're going to see later, the swipe just to swipe the screen, send keys to send text to a target, the wait for element present, verify element present, and verify text presence. We are going to select, for example, the first skateboard in this shop application and just create a new step with the tap target. We can see the action be executed on the device, and here we are going to have the result of the action. Now what we can do is, for example, to click on the add to cart and to verify if the element is present on the page. Just click verify element presence and the target and create new step. This will just verify the presence of this element on the page. We can also verify the text present on the page by selecting an element, taking the text, selecting an element and just verifying the text in the value field and select verify text present. So the idea is just to find out the element with this path and to verify the presence of this text. So just click create a new step again. So now what I'm going to do is just to make a click and action, and I won't do a tap with the target. We'll try to make a XY tap. I position my mouse on the bottom and I double click. So I have the coordinates x1 and y1 which appears here, and I can make, if I want, the parameters relative to the top left of the screen. I create a new step. I can see the item has been added to the basket, and I will just click on the basket, tap target and the path. I click create a new step. So I'm going to switch to the basket. Here we got it. I click on the payment button with the tap target, create a new step, and so I will be able to go to the register form. So now I have a register form, and I will click on the last name, and I will just type in text, which is my name, and make a send key to this target. Create a new step and see if my name is inserted into the form, which is okay. And I'm going to do the same thing with my email, where I'm going to select the email, the send keys, and this is my email, and create a new step. And my email is inserted into the form. And I will stop here for this demo. So just make stop recording and close the recorder. Here, as you can see, we now have all the steps that have been recorded that appears. One step is a line. We got the actions, tab verify element is present, verify the inner text of the element, the tab XY, the other tabs, the send keys. As you can see, we always have a screenshot to be able to see every actions, and we can edit every steps. Can change the command, can change target and the value. We also have other options. We can insert a new step anywhere or delete a step as well. It's also possible to see these actions as a script, which is a Selenium ADE JSON format. As you can see, you can find the command, the targets, and the values, and you can modify the scenario with this editor as you want. Now that we have our scenario, we can just take it and use it for other actions. For example, use it in a functional test.